Hi, I'm Amy Novokuski from Ginger Snap Works.
And I'm Roberta Lip of Copy Punch. And together we are
Ginger Punch.
See, get it?
So we're here in beautiful San Juan, Puerto Rico, and we just completed Red Elephant's first 3-day conference called Stand, Speak, and Profit. And the biggest thing that we really got out of this event was how important it is to build great relationships with other entrepreneurs and business owners. So, get this, we're hosting the Ginger Punch social networking happy hour on December
17th. So we're starting a monthly happy hour. Tuesday, December 17th is the first one. You will find the link below to register for that. It's going to be fun. It's going to be in the middle of the holidays. It's so hard to talk about that from the beach.
And the whole point of this networking event is to get social, build those social relationships with other business owners, because it's the relationships that are going to make the difference in your business in 2014. So come with us to Smithfield in New York City, December 17th.
There'll be
Tuesday. There'll be nibbles. We'll have a specialty cocktail called, guess what?
Ginger Punch!
And we'll get to celebrate 2013 and create a really awesome 2014 through the relationships that you develop inside your business.
I'm already dancing. We'll see you there. Mwah.
Bye.
Bye.